Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying your Surface Pro model and its available ports. Newer Surface Pro models include a USB-C or Thunderbolt port. Use that port for direct video output up to 4K at 60Hz when supported. If you have an older Surface, check for Mini Display port and use the matching adapter. The Surface Connect port can provide video through the Microsoft dock or a compatible adapter. Choose a high-quality cable and adapter rated for the resolution you need. Prefer cables 2 meters or shorter to reduce signal loss. Keep power requirements in mind and use a 60W to 65W charger when necessary. First, power on your monitor and set it to the correct input source. Then plug the monitor cable into the monitor and connect the other end to your Surface Pro or adapter. If using Surface Connect docking, attach the dock and then the monitor cable. On your Surface, open Settings, then go to System, then Display to detect the monitor. Use Detect if the screen does not appear automatically. Arrange the displays and choose Extend or Duplicate as you prefer. Set the display resolution and refresh rate to match monitor capabilities like 4K at 60Hz. If the external monitor shows no signal, first try a different cable or adapter. Swap to a higher quality cable rated for 4K 60Hz or use a powered dock to ensure enough bandwidth. Update Windows and the Surface firmware and graphics drivers before further troubleshooting. Restart your Surface after each driver or firmware update to apply changes. Check the monitor menu to confirm input and resolution settings match the Surface output. If performance is poor, lower the resolution to 1080p or use 4K at 30Hz to reduce.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.